you to do your animals. Where is penguin? Can you find your penguin? Do you see your penguin in there? Where is the penguin? Oh, there he is. Where's penguin? Do you see penguin? Can you find your penguin? Where is your penguin? Where's penguin? Yeah, he's getting it. He's getting it. Look at that! Aren't you smart? Penguin! Good job, Pumpkin. Yep, that's your favorite one. That's cheetah. Where's giraffe? Can you find giraffe? Can you find your giraffe? Yeah, you don't want to put cheetah down to get your giraffe, do you? Get giraffe. Where's your giraffe? You're so proud of yourself. Can you get giraffe? Nicholas, where's giraffe? You got your penguin, you have your cheetah. Where's giraffe? Can you get your giraffe? Get giraffe for daddy. Yeah, get your giraffe for daddy. Where's giraffe? Where's your giraffe? Where's giraffe? Oh my gosh, is that the giraffe? Oh, look at that! Good boy! Yay, Nicholas! Yay, Nicholas! You gonna go give that to daddy? You gonna go give giraffe to daddy? Oh, no, you're just gonna walk around with giraffe. How about turtle? You wanna find turtle next?
Hey, Nicholas, come over here.
Where's turtle?
Nicholas, come here. Hey, Nicholas.
Where's turtle?
Where's your froggy? How about the froggy?
Oh, I'm gonna confuse him.
Froggy? Froggy? Where's your froggy at, Nicholas? Froggy?
Get your frog.
Is the frog in there? Froggy?
Where's Froggy?
Hey, where's your froggy at?
Where's Froggy?
Where's Froggy? Nicholas? Froggy?
Oh, I see him. Where's your froggy, Nicholas? Nicholas, I think there's a frog looking at you.
Where is your frog?
Ribbit. 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 Where's your... Nicholas, where's Froggy? He likes his book. He loves books. So, we got distracted by the book. I think he knows his Froggy and Turtle. And we're working. Sometimes he gets the hippo. Sometimes he gets the lion. He's pretty good with the turtle. And he's pretty good with that elephant that there's too. Just if that ADD doesn't get in the way. The attention span of an ant. But the memory of an elephant. Yeah. Bless you. Bless you. Okay, you want to get turtle? Where's turtle? Do you see your turtle? Oh, I see turtle. That's what we're going after right there. Turtle. Where's turtle? Nicholas. Yeah, if you're done with the animals, huh? Okay. Say Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Ribbit. Ribbit. Turtle? Elephant. Any animal? Bye-bye. Chew the book.